What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're back with some 350Z2JZ content. I know a few months ago we did a video of just regular maintenance, and I mentioned that the car was misfiring here and there, and we did pop all the plugs out and looked at our spark plugs, and everything looked fine, so I reinstalled them and didn't really do much with them. But as I was driving, the car kept misfiring randomly here and there, so we did a log and sent it to our tuner. He took a look and just said there's something going on with our spark plugs. So he asked me to take a look at them one more time and just maybe possibly replacing them. So I went ahead, popped them all open. Spark plugs look good, gaps were fine. They're 22 thousandths of an inch, so I didn't see any issues with that. But then I started looking inside the coils, and I ended up actually finding something that I'm going to show you here today. We got some replacement parts from Thorn Industries. You guys already know that I'm running R35 coil packs. So there's an issue with one of them on cylinder number 5. So today we're going to take them all apart, and I'm going to show you what's going on. And the guy ended up sending me some replacement parts right over here, and these yellow washers, I'm not really sure exactly how they get installed yet. This is a revision, so we're gonna figure this out together today. But with that being said, check out Thorn Industries. Super great guy, super cool service. It was quick and easy, helped me out right away with no hesitation, so shout out to him. Thank you very much, and I appreciate your service. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alrighty guys, here are the coil packs. I went ahead and took them apart right now, and here's our problem. I'm going to show you these little resistors that sit in the coil pack. If the camera focuses, we can actually see it. There you go. So this is cylinder number 1, looking pretty good. This is number 2. 3 is looking nice. 4 is beautiful. 5. And 5 is completely broached. Bam, look at that. That's a problem for a misfire. And number 6 also looks good. So we got a new resistor right over here, so we're going to be putting a new one in. Oops, come on, focus. There you go. So we're going to toss one of those in, and these little isolators, this is a revision that Thorn Industries made. So these guys are going to be going inside of this ceramic tube that sits inside the cylinder head, and it's going to go right in there. Bam, just like so, and that basically closes the hole where the spring comes through, and it keeps the tension on the spring and keeps everything centered. So I'm happy that I got them. Super awesome. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to change that little resistor. We're going to install all those in our ceramic tubes, and then we're going to start reinstalling everything back together and fire it up and see what happens. Hopefully it's all good. One more thing I want to mention before I go ahead and reassemble them. This is how you guys are going to want to assemble your coil pack if you do have this revision. So you basically have your coil, your resistor, the spring, your isolator, and then your rubber piece, and then it's all going to get closed in by this ceramic tube. So just in case you don't know, now you do. So with that being said, let's get to it. Alright boys, we got them all reinstalled, so all 6 are ready to go. And I want to also point this out, the kit also comes with this nice dry carbon plate. This is for your swap, so just because this is so much taller than the OEM one, you have to space this out. So if you do order a kit from Thorn Industries, they'll send you this little plate which bolts to your head, and then you can go ahead and get your coil pack in there just like so. Nice little touch. I like the carbon fiber, so I do like it, and let's get them all in. Our boys, the car's back together. I'm gonna fire her up right now, let her warm up. It should still be warm because I'd start doing that as soon as I got in here. So let's see. Couple minutes. I think she's all warmed up now. Let's see. Bam. Yep. Yes, it is. And before we go, I just want to test our two-step just real quick, make sure it works, because last time I did it, it wasn't so good. It was kind of weak, but it explains why. We're misfiring on one cylinder, so it should be pretty loud now. Alright guys, the two-step seems to be working just fine now, so we're gonna take it for a casual cruise, because the most noticeable part about us was during just a regular drive, you know, without getting on it. So we're gonna get on the main road and kind of just put on fourth gear and try to cruise and see what happens. Right now we're cruising about 55, and I don't hear anything, because usually it'll just be like a random misfire as you just, you know, going along. So far, I'm going to drive for a couple days just to, you know, pay attention, make sure it's not happening anymore. I hope it's not. I mean, it was a very solid find. It feels very smooth now as far as the throttle response. It was a little choppy earlier, even on the way to the shop this morning. But I think we fixed the problem, and I think it's going to be all good from now on. Hey guys, so we're back from our drive. The car seems to be doing great. Everything's normal. I didn't see any backfiring, so I say we did a good job. Everything's fixed now. So with that being said, I want to thank Vlad, our tuner from National Speed in North Carolina, for helping me out. I also want to give a shout out to Thorn Industries for giving such an awesome service and sending the parts over right away. So thank you guys, and this is going to be it for today's video, guys. Stay tuned, and I'm going to see you next time. Take it easy.